Hey everyone, this is Tim from the Lasell College IT department. On behalf of the department, I'd like to welcome you to Lasell and today show you a little bit about our online systems and what we have to offer here as far as technology services. The first thing we're going to check out is the My Lasell portal. This is at my.lasell.edu. We're going to talk about password resetting, registering for courses, accessing your student email, your online courses, printing to our public printers, and the text alert system. To get started, go ahead and open up any web browser. In the address bar, type in my.lasell.edu with no www. When prompted, go ahead and enter in your full user ID, including the @lasell.edu and your password. If you have any trouble logging in, you'll want to visit password.lasell.edu and reset your password. You can always go to that page at any time and answer a couple security questions, and you'll be able to reset your password. A direct link for it is down here at the very bottom, but you don't have to log into My Lasell to get to it. So this is the main homepage. Across the top, you'll notice offices and services, self-service, web print, the Chronicle and the radio station. Across the right, student email. Moodle is our online learning system. The directory, some information about getting around. Down here is our shuttle finder, which shows live shuttle tracking. And on the left-hand side, you find more detailed links, such as course offerings and registration, grades, advisors, stop information, financial information, information about dining and housing, athletics, campus police, and finally, technology and plant operations. So the first thing we're going to do is look across the top here in the self-service option. Here you can register for courses, find information about your tuition bill, your advisor and grades, and your course schedule. To register, click on the registration tab and then undergraduate registration. If you have a stop here, you're going to want to contact student accounts to get that financial stop resolved, or you won't be able to register or see any of your courses. To register, you'll click on the section search here. Type in the course code, such as COM or MGMT or something like that. Your advisor will help you out there. Select the session and search for courses. These are going to fill up your cart with courses. And when you got everything you need, you'll check out and walk through the final steps there, and you'll be all registered for your courses. So let's go back to My Lasell. Let's look at web print up here in the top middle. Click on that and go ahead and enter in your user ID and password one more time. Once logged in, you'll see your printing balance. This will also show up on the computers when you log into the public computers, and your printing history. We're going to want to check out web print on the left-hand side. This will allow you to print from any laptop, personal device, which is wirelessly enabled, to any of our public printers that are on this list here. For instance, if I want to print to the library, I would select that and proceed, select the copies that I want, and upload my document here. It only accepts PDFs and documents and Excels and PowerPoints and that kind of course information. Upload and complete, and away it goes. We recommend that you use this only if you plan to go and pick up your print job right away. You don't want to leave your important course information just out in the open. So let's look at student email here on the right hand side. So right now your email is going to look like this. You'll see your inbox here, reading pane on the right. If you'd like to set up a rule to forward your email to a personal account, you can do so under the options on the top right hand side there. But I'd really like to show you how it's going to look like on July 14th. We're going to be doing an upgrade to Office 365, and your inbox is going to look a lot more like this here. You'll still have your folders on the right, your email in the middle, and the reading pane on the right hand side. Information across the top here for contacts and calendar, saving documents and sharing things online, and a bunch of other cool features that will have a lot more information coming out down the road. So back on my Lasell, let's check out Moodle real quick. This is our learning management system. It's a fancy name for where your online courses will be and portions of your courses that are online. You want to look on the left hand side, you'll see My Courses, and under there your courses will be listed out. Courses are in a forum format here where you can post comments, questions, assignments. This is where your summer reading is going to be, and there'll be a course listed under there for that. So we'll go back to my Lasell. More information here, definitely take a look at that. Information about the emergency notification system. This is a system that you're signed up for automatically. But if you change your phone or if you notice that you're not getting the messages like everyone else, you want to click on that link towards the bottom and walk through the subscription one more time. Let's take a quick look at what the password reset page looks like. Again, this is just password.lasell.edu. You can punch that in, nothing else, and it'll bring you straight here. You don't have to log in. Click on reset password. Go ahead and put in your username. Domain is student. Answer the following questions and plug in your new password. You'll want to make sure that your password meets the requirements here as well for it to accept it. Alright, so next I want to talk about our campus services. We have wireless internet and also wired internet. Wireless is available in 100% of the classrooms and 90% of the public spaces. It's compatible with any PC running Vista, Windows 7 or 8, also any Mac running OS X. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, gaming systems, Apple TV, etc. Definitely, if you have any troubles with that, I encourage you to reach out to the help desk. We talked about printing real quick. Everyone's given $30 of printing funds that are slowly deducted from as you use the public printers here on campus. Not many people do, but if you do run out of the funds, you can always add more at the technology help desk or online at mylasell.edu. We don't support wireless printers. They don't interface with our network, so we don't recommend that you bring them. We recommend that you let us take on the responsibility of keeping those printers stocked with paper and ink and ready to go for you. Residence halls are equipped with Comcast cable. All you need is a coax cable to plug in your TV to the wall jack. You'll want to set up your TV to cable, not to antenna or over the air, and scan for channels to pick up the Lasell specific channel listing. To log into the Wi-Fi, on any PC, connect to the Lasell wireless network down the bottom right, and then open up a web browser. You'll be prompted to fill in your user ID and password to authenticate. And then on a PC, you're going to be prompted to launch the Cisco NAC agent. Go ahead and click on that and download the agent. It's a little agent that just checks the security of your system to keep the wireless network secure for everyone. You'll want to make sure that your operating system is up to date. You can go to update.windows.com to run all the updates, or also under the Start menu, System Updates. You'll want to update everything and reboot the computer and check the updates again, and do that until there are no more. You also will require an antivirus to be running. We have Microsoft Security Essentials, which we recommend is a free download. Also Sophos Home Edition for the Macs. I recommend that as well. There are more and more Mac viruses these days. Unfortunately, that's a good free one you can do a Google search for. You might also need to update Java. That's usually a little pop-up in the bottom right-hand corner. Make sure you run that update. If not, you can also Google Java update and run it manually. So the agent looks like this on the right. You'll just fill in your information, check off the little box, and you won't have to worry about it again. We have a bunch of computer labs here on campus. They're all equipped with the industry standard software that you're using in your courses. So we recommend that you do not go out and buy the expensive Adobe suites, but let us buy those for you, and you can use those at the public labs. Those labs are open pretty late, till midnight, same hours as the library. We also have some 24/7 study lounges available across campus. One in Winslow, the Glow Lounge, the Butterworth Lounge, and the Forest Lounge we're going to be building this summer. These have printers and computers available anytime, day or night. If it's after hours, you'll have to swipe in with your Lasell student ID. If you haven't purchased a computer yet, you can buy any PC you want. We're compatible with any device, just whatever you're comfortable with. You want to make sure you get the extended warranty, a cable lock if it's a laptop, and definitely bring your backup disks from the manufacturer. These will be very important if you have a major software failure to bring it back to the factory settings. We also recommend a cloud backup plan such as CrashPlan or Carbonite. You can Google both of those services. They're very reasonably priced and a great way to keep your data safe. We don't recommend backing up to flash drives as they have a tendency to go bad without warning, and you can lose a lot of data. Definitely always want to keep your data in 2 locations and have multiple copies. Another good spot is on the Office 365 email. There's a spot there where you can store your documents and also create Microsoft documents as well right from the web. Otherwise, you'll want to pick up Microsoft Office or OpenOffice. OpenOffice is an open source free version that's also fully compatible with Microsoft Office, but we recommend the full suite, which you can get for a discount from journeyed.com. Mobile devices, the best ones that we support are Android, iPhone, and Windows Phone. If you're setting up your email, you'll definitely want to make sure you select the Exchange account. Sometimes it's called a corporate account, and the domain will be student. Right now, the server name is pod51004.outlook.com. This is going to change, unfortunately, on July 14th when we move to Office 365. So if you set up your email now, just keep an eye out down the road that you're going to have to set it up again when we move to that new system. You also want to make sure you download the My Lasell app. You should do that right now. It's available from iTunes, Google Play, and the Windows Store. And that'll be the easiest way to get onto My Lasell and to get all that information right from your pocket. Here at the Technology Help Desk, we're available to help with computer connectivity, getting on the Wi-Fi, any of those online systems we just talked about, as well as antivirus and scanning, and we encourage any questions that you might have. Unfortunately, we're unable to assist with major hardware or system failures. If you have a hard drive failure or your screen is cracked in half, you'll have to be referred to right up the road in Newton Center. There's Systems Analysis Services. It's a great little repair shop who can do these more extensive repairs for you. You can follow us on the web. We're on Facebook and Twitter. We'll have important updates there, information about technology and changes at Lasell. And on our YouTube channel, we have step-by-step walkthroughs such as this guide here. And our My Lasell/technology page has a lot of our critical, important how-tos and information that you can always reference there. You can contact us. Most important is to remember our phone number, 617-243-2200. That's available 24/7 for critical requests, so you can call us anytime, day or night. You can also email us, helpdesk@lasell.edu. During business hours, you can chat us at chat.lasell.edu, and our walk-in center is in the lower level of the Brennan Library. That's all we have to offer right now. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We recommend walking through these things prior to arriving on campus for the smoothest transition. So again, welcome to Lasell. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in September. Bye now.